Let us do the same problem now, but this time we'll use the quadratic formula. So we just need to compare this formula to standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And we need to identify a, b, c, and then use it in the formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Alright, so let us go ahead and plug or substitute the values for a, b, and c into that formula. Let's identify what a, b, and c is here. A is 1, obviously, so a equals 1. B happens to be 8. C here is 24. And so substituting that in, we have x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c, which is 24. That's all over 2 times a, or 2 times 1. So we have x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus. Now, we want to go ahead and really simplify what's in the radical first. I'll go ahead and do some basic stuff, though. We have negative 8 out front there. That stays the same. 2 times 1 is 2. Now let's go ahead and find out what needs to be underneath the radical. I'll do that off to the side here using the order of operations, of course. So we have 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 24. Okay. So we use our order of operations. The order of operations is PEMDAS. Okay, so PEMDAS, let's go ahead and use that. P stands for parentheses. We don't have anything inside the parentheses to simplify. E stands for exponent, so we'll do that next. 8 squared is 64. And we have a minus a 4 times 1 times 24. Okay. The next thing that comes, so we've done parentheses, we did exponents. Now we need to take care of multiplication and division, if there's any. So there's multiplication, there's a whole string of multiplication here. 4 times 1 times 24. Okay, that would be 4 times 1 is 4. And then 4 times 24, that'd be 96. Okay, so we have 64 minus 96. And last but not least, we take care of our addition and subtraction from left to right. 64 minus 96. That's equal to a negative 32. Okay? So that's what goes underneath our radical here, negative 32. We can now also simplify the square root of negative 32, right? So let's do that here. So in red, I'll do that off to the side here again. The square root of negative 32, that'd be the square root of 16 times 2 times negative 1. Okay? The square root of 16 is 4, the square root of 2 remains like that, and the square root of negative 1 is I. Replacing the square root of negative 32 with that, we have x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus 4 square roots of 2i. Sorry about that. Had to check on something. All divided by 2 there. And then we divide by 2, and we get that's equal to negative 4 plus or minus 2 square roots of 2i. And there's our final answer. Sorry, it's a mess.